Today we're talking about evidence destruction and how a private investigator can get involved when infringing goods and counterfeit goods need to be destroyed. This is Tim Santoni, and thanks so much for tuning in to A Day in the Life of a Private Investigator. We talk about real cases, real stories, and real clients that we work with on a daily basis. In this situation, a well-known intellectual property law firm had reached out to us because a judge in a case that they were working on had ordered an inspection and destruction of infringing goods. Our client represented a brand, a well-known clothing brand, with an animal that was always displayed on their logo. In this case, the court ruled that the infringing subject had produced a shirt with a confusingly similar mark, and they had ordered that any and all goods bearing this mark be destroyed. So the client relied upon us to conduct an inspection of the warehouse, inventory the goods, and then destroy these goods so that they could report back to the court that the requirements under the case had been fulfilled. First off, we had to coordinate with the infringing business to coordinate an inspection. Our team visited the location and conducted an inspection of a pretty large warehouse to verify that the goods that they had reportedly been produced bearing the infringing mark were actually, the numbers were accurate. We did our inventory, we were able to document this, and then coordinate the destruction. In this situation, they were garments, and normally we'd use somebody like City Fibers, or we could do a manual destruction, but we decided to contact our shredding company, and actually using Southern California Shredding, we were able to use one of their trucks, who confirmed that their trucks are able to shred things like clothing. The best part about this is the fact that these particular trucks are armed with cameras. So we were able to connect up our recording equipment to their cameras and document the destruction of these goods. So we conducted the inventory, the chain of custody, we took possession of the goods, we coordinated the destruction, we documented that through video, and then we also got a certificate of destruction from the shredding company and photographs once the shredded goods were deposited at the landfill or the facility where they were going to be recycled. So this is an example of how private investigators get involved when courts ordered evidence destruction in cases involving infringement and counterfeiting. Thanks so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.